In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CSS reset, also known as a normalize, in Dreamweaver. This will help ensure your web pages look consistent across all browsers by removing default styling. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open Dreamweaver. It's the tool we'll be using to manage our HTML and CSS files. Dreamweaver provides a great environment for visualizing and editing web pages. Once you're in, the next step is to open your HTML page. This is the page where you'll be adding the CSS reset. It's important to have the page open because we'll be linking it to our new CSS file. Now, click on Split View. This view is incredibly helpful because it allows you to see both your code and the design at the same time. It gives you a better understanding of the changes you're making as you work. Next up, we need to create a new CSS file. Go to the File menu, click on New, and then select CSS. This step is crucial because our CSS reset will be stored in this new file. Once that's done, save the file with the name reset.css. This naming helps you easily identify the purpose of this CSS file in the future. With the CSS file ready, let's add the reset code. Enter the following CSS star, open brace, margin 0, semicolon, padding 0, semicolon, box sizing border box, semicolon, close brace. This simple yet effective code sets all margins and padding to 0 and ensures that the box sizing is set to border box. This adjustment is important because it standardizes the element sizing across different browsers. Now that the CSS reset is in place, we need to link this CSS file to your HTML page. Inside the head section of your HTML file, add this line, link rel equals stylecite, href equals reset.css. This links the reset CSS file, ensuring it's applied whenever your HTML page is loaded. Make sure you save both your HTML and CSS files. You want to ensure all your changes are preserved and ready to go live. Saving your work frequently is a good habit to prevent any loss of progress. With that ready, it's time to see your changes in action. Click on Live View or simply press F12 on your keyboard. This will render your page with the new CSS reset applied. You should notice that any default styling, like extra margins or padding, is now removed, providing a clean slate for your styles. And there you have it, a basic yet essential step in web design. Using a CSS reset can prevent unexpected inconsistencies across different browsers. This little step saves you a lot of time later when styling your web pages. Remember, a cleaner start allows for more precise and predictable styling as you develop your site further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Keep practicing, and soon these steps will become second nature. See you in the next video.